Welcome to my channel Akant Education Center. Momo ছাত্রছাত্ৰী সকল মই তোমালোকৰ আগন্তুক এইচএস ফাইনেল এক্সামিনেশনৰ ভাবে কেইটামান 2 মাৰ্কছৰ খুব ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কোৱেশ্চন পয়েট্ৰি সেকশনৰ পৰা দি আছো একেটা তোমালোকে মুখস্থ মাৰিবা আৰু মুখস্থ মাৰিলে তোমালোকে ইয়াৰ পৰা পৰীক্ষাত কোৱেশ্চন পাবাই একেটা তোমালোকে পাইলে ডাউনলোড কৰি লবা নাইবা সেভ কৰি লবা তেতিয়া তোমালোকৰ পৰত বৰ সহজ হৈ যাব তোমালোকৰ পৰীক্ষা নিশ্চয় ওচৰত সময় নাই গতিকে মই most important question কেটে আলোচনা কৰিম ইয়াত চোৱা keeping কুইটৰ পৰা মই কৈ আছো what will counting up to 12 and keeping still help us to achieve counting up to 12 and keeping still will give us an opportunity to introspect about ourselves and help us to experience the bliss of an exotic moment away from the din and rush of the modern life. Etu question to 1 mark খুব important 1 mark question eta 2 mark question eta gol ete 2 number question. What is this sadness that the poet refers to the poem Keeping Quit? Or a question to enekoi dibo pare what is the sadness that Neruda talk of? Here answer to man's sadness is formed out of his own thinking and action. He understands much but fails to understand himself and his action. His rush and hurry causes troubles. Man is the author of all distress. Due to his thinking and actions, he is always threatening himself with death. Next, I read a question. Why was the poet wished to count to 12? Answer to the poet wished to count up to 12 because after it the whole mankind keep silent and experiences an exotic moment. Next, side number question. What is an exotic moment the poet Neruda wishes for? Answer to the exotic moment the poet Neruda wishes for in Keeping Quit is the extraordinary moment of peace that is far away from the din and rush of the modern life. Next, I read a question ase moi etu koi di asu tomolokor bhabe yes what it be an exotic moment এই কোৱেশ্চনটো তোমালোকে ইয়াত ফটো মাৰি দিয়া হল তোমালোকে মুখস্থ কৰি লবা ইয়ালৈকে মুখস্থ মাৰি লবা